the stairs. Sadie, come here.
Sadie, hey.
Sadie. Look at this.
Ooh.
Spin it both ways. Over this side. Come over here. Over here.
Go to Daddy.
Did you wipe off the stairs?
No.
Come on, over here. Come on.
Uh-oh.
Come on, Boots. Over here. There's the stairs. Remember what Daddy taught you, right? You put your leg up there. Are you holding on? No? Yeah. Gotta hold on to that. Hold on there. There you go. One foot up. Foot up. All the way. Alright. And then foot all the way in. Alright. Let's get off the stairs. Come on. All the way up. Alright. Spin it. Spin.
Whee! Watch out. Uh-oh.
Oh, hold up, hold up. You sit down.
Sit down on your bum.
That's... You want to go down the slide? Okay, sit down. No. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Okay, ready? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let go. Woohoo! You did it. No, other way. See, you gotta go up the stairs. Come on. Over here. Come on, over the stairs. There you go. Stairs. How do you climb the stairs? Remember how to climb the stairs? Hold on here. Good job.
Oh, missed the step.
Okay, Sadie. Hold on. Okay, hold on here. Hold on there. Bring your foot up. Alright. And there you go. For the most part. Alright, you want to slide? You have to sit down. You have to sit down. Sadie. No. You have to sit down. Okay? Scoot. Yay!